Hi guys. Today I will explain how to sell crypto on Binance. This process is simple and easy. The only thing is open the Binance application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top. You can see the option of Binance. Click on it. And here you will see a lot of options. But from these, you have to select this option, More Services. Now scroll down a bit, and here is the option, Buy Crypto. This option is useful for both, so click on it. On the top, you can see the option of Buy. And in order to sell, click on it. And here you have to enter the amount of USDT or any other crypto which you have, like if the selected crypto is not what you want to sell. So click on it, and here select your crypto. You can also search for your own by using this search bar. Once you find your crypto, select that like I want to sell. Because my current balance is not match with the minimum balance. So that's why I cannot tap on the option preview order. Once you have, click on the option preview order and place your order, and it was the way by which you can do it quickly.